Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice algebraic equations. So we want to find the value of a, b, and c that satisfy this problem. So here we have three equations. Here is equation 1, this is equation 2, and here is equation 3. So the first thing we are going to do here is let's say we multiply 1, 2, and 3 together. So that is, for the first one we have AB multiplied by BC multiplied by CA equals 15 multiplied by 30 multiplied by 45. So after we have multiplied all these together, so let's say we rearrange this. We have this as A multiplied by A here. So we bring that together as A multiplied by A. So this in bracket, then multiply by B multiplied by B, and the last one we have C multiplied by C. So this equals, if this is 15 multiplied by, but 30 here we can write it as 2 multiplied by 15 multiplied by, also we have 45, which we can write it as 15 multiplied by 3. And again from here, when we proceed by multiplying a by a multiplied by a, that gives us a squared. So multiply by b squared multiplied by c squared equals, and also from here, if this is 15, we can write this 15 as 3 multiplied by 5, then multiply by 2 multiplied by, so we have this as 15 multiplied by 15. So this is 15 squared multiplied by 3. And in the next step, we have this as A, B, and C. And all of them are having squared. So which means we can write this as A, B, C raised to power of 2 equals, suppose we multiply 5 and 2 together. So 5 times 2 equals to 10. And here is 15 squared. So we have this as 15 squared multiplied by, so when 3 multiplied by 3, we have this as 6 multiplied by, so when 3 multiplied by 3, we have this as 3 squared multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2, that is 10. And next step is, let's take the square root of both sides. So by squaring both sides, we have this as ABC equals, so we know square and square root cancel each other. So at this side, we have this as the square root of, so as far as we are taking the square root of both sides, so we introduce plus or minus here. And here takes 15 squared multiplied by 3 squared multiplied by 10. So here we have ABC equals plus or minus. So we have to separate this with different square, as this is square root of 15 squared multiplied by square root of 3 squared multiplied by square root of 10. And again, we have ABC equals plus or minus. So this cancel this and this cancel this. So we have 15 and 3. 15 times 3, that gives us 45 multiplied by square root of 10. And which we can conclude here that we have two values for ABC. So ABC equals 45 square root of 10, or we have ABC equals minus 45 square root of 10. So then we have, so here is the result we have for the product of ABC. Then let's consider from 1 and deal with this one first. So here from this, let's say we divide this one by this equation 1. Here we have ABC divided by AB equals 35 square root of 10 divided by 15. And from here, we have A cancelled A and B cancelled B. So therefore, we have C equals, so here 15, we can cut this one as 15 will go here. We have 15 here rather, and that gives us 3. And 15 here, that is 1. So here is 3 root 10 for the value of C. And also, when we consider from equation 2, so we have to divide this one, ABC, by that one as well. So we have ABC divided by BC. This equals 45 square root of 10 divided by 30. So here 30 cannot go here straight. So what we do is we divide this by 15. So when 15 go here, we are going to have it as 3 square root of 10 divided by, so and when this 15 go here, we are going to have it as 2. So this shows that when we now cancel C here, we cancel C, we cancel B, we cancel B. It shows that the value of A here equals 3 square root of 10 divided by 2. And also for the last one, which is CA as our equation 3, so we are going to consider dividing it as ABC divided by CA equals 45 square root of 10 divided by 45. So here, when 45 cancelled 45, and here we have C cancel C, and we have A cancel A, we can conclude our value of B, so which is equals square root of 10. And when we consider the negative part of this, which is ABC equals minus 45 square root of 10, and we start plug it in this, so the opposite is what we are going to get. So for this one, which is 3 root 10, so here we are going to get C equals minus 3 square root of 10. And for the value of A, we are going to have it as minus 3 square root of 10 divided by 2. And while for the value of B, we are going to get it as minus square root of 10. And all these satisfy this equation when we check for it. So let's try to check for one or two of these and see if this result will be equal. So here are all the solutions that we get here. So let's try to check for equation 1, which is AB equals 15. And we pick the value of A and B from the positive. So we have AB equals 15. And if our A is 3 square root of 10 divided by 2, multiplied by our B is square root of 10. So this is divided by 1. I want to check if this equals 15. So from here, root 10 multiplied by root 10, and that gives us 10 only. And here we have 3 multiplied by 10 divided by 2. So 2 here, 1, and 2 here, that gives us 5. And 3 multiplied by 5, this equals 15. That is for the positive side. So which shows is equal for positive. And let's see the negative for this same thing we just checked. So when we check for the negative part of it, we are going to have this as minus 3 square root of 10 divided by 2. So multiply by minus square root of 10. So from here, minus and minus cancelled, and we get the same result as this. So it shows that both positive and negative work. Thanks for watching. And if you are new here to this channel and you find this video interesting, so please subscribe. See you in the next class. Bye bye.